is up, beautiful people of the internet? My name is Soda Boy, and today we are going to be reviewing the Publix Fidget Spinner. Okay, so already straight in the box, you can tell that it doesn't even have weight, or it only has weights. It doesn't have actual bearings on the outer sides that you can go like this with. Just weights. So yeah, it was $5.99 at Publix. So again, pretty good. I got this one for $3 on Amazon. Has pretty decent packaging. Comes in like this. Ooh, it's pretty hefty and heavy. Yeah. These things don't spin. Yeah, you can hear it shake. Let's open that up. Okay, so just to open it, use a kitchen knife or something. What? I have honestly never seen this before. With all my experience with fidget spinners, I have never seen this before. What the heck is this? It's a plastic bearing. What the heck? It's a freaking plastic bearing. Who would use a plastic bearing? What the heck? Look. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a plastic bearing. So we're going to put it back in. And then we're going to give it a spin. See how it goes. Ooh, it slides a lot. I don't like it. So, yep. Here you go. Spin time in 3, 2, 1. Do you hear that? See the warp? Spins pretty long, actually. I'm surprised. So I'm just gonna see how fast I can let it spin. I can get it to spin. So yeah, I'll see you when it's spinning. So this thing spun for about 1 minute and 13 seconds. It rattles really terribly when you spin it. It's not balanced because, as you can see, it's like wobbling. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like. But yeah, compared to this one, I suggest this one, plus this one, the outer bearings don't spin, but these do. This one is roughly the same size. Let's do a trippiness test. Yeah, they're still pretty trippy. Wait. Yeah, that's trippy. But, don't do that. For the grip, I suggest this one. This one's more flat and this one's more curved. I don't know if you can see that on the black one. But yeah, this one's way more curved. So this one's silent and this one isn't. And yeah, so I'd probably suggest this one, but it took like a month for shipping. So yeah, also don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And when I'm at 100 subscribers, I'll possibly do a fidget spinner giveaway or a, you hear that? Or yeah, I'll do a fidget spinner giveaway, 10 fidget spinners, not the cheap Publix ones. I'll give away ones like these that spin for 1 to 3 minutes at the most. Yeah, let me know if you want me to do more fidget spinner videos, or just let me know overall. And yeah, let me know if you have Publix where you are from, and if you don't, then just message me saying, or just comment below where you're from. These don't come out. And yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. That was Soda Boy. Peace out.